Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Base44 on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for base44.com. This is the AI no-code app builder that turns your ideas into a fully functional apps using simple text prompts. Just click sign up and create an account with your email or social login so your work is safe and you can return anytime. Next, once logged in, you'll see an AI chat interface on the left and live app preview on the right. In the chat, type what you want to build. For example, prompt here. And after done typing your prompt, the Base44 AI will instantly generate your app's layout, navigation, and functionality based on your description. But take note that Base44 AI needs to be upgraded version. And you can customize your AI chat. You can add new feature, change colors or fonts, include new pages or buttons, and more. Base44 also lets you use a visual editor to manually tweak design elements or switch into discuss mode to brainstorm ideas with the AI before making changes. You can interact with your app in the preview window. Click buttons, try navigation flows, and test forms just like a real user. This helps you catch issues and refine features before publishing. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.